Hello everyone. In this video we will learn what is image tag and what is attribute in HTML. तो शुरू करते हैं. So we are in this VS Code. Let me first create one file, image.html. Okay, in this file I create a boilerplate shift+1. Okay, so in this body tag, what is image tag? Okay, with the help of image tag we can display some images in our web page. Okay, let me do some practical. Okay, I comment this. Now with the help of IMG stand for image, and SRC and alt. Okay, so SRC is stand for source of your image. Let me copy some image source, open pixels.com website. In this I search some, suppose, logo, and copy the one logo SRC. Let me copy this, copy image address and paste in the SRC. Simple. Okay, let me run this file. Okay, a logo is displayed. Let me create one more with the help of IMG. So now I search car image. Okay, let me copy this one, right click, copy image address and paste in the SRC. Okay, Control S to save and run this file. Okay, you can set width and height also. Okay, let me do it. Width is 250 pixel and height is 350 pixel. Okay, Control S to save. Okay, let me change this. Width is also 350 and height 200. I think now it's look good. Okay, let me change the second one. Width is 500 pixel and height is 400 pixel. Control S to save. Okay, let me change to 800. According to your requirement you can change width and height. Okay, now second is what is alt in image. Okay, let me do some mistakes in link. Let me remove this. Okay, and I write alt in logo image. Okay, then Control S to save. So a logo image is written in your web page. Suppose any mistake you do in the link or any network issue, so the whatever you write in the alt is displayed in your web page. Suppose I write car logo and do some mistakes in link. Suppose I remove this. Okay, Control S to save. Then car logo and logo image is printed. Okay, now second is what is attribute. What is attribute? Okay, attribute gives the additional information to your tag. So SRC is the attribute of image tag. It gives some additional information. Okay, height is the attribute, width is the attribute, and alt is also a attribute of image tag. Okay, so attribute gives the additional information to your tag. Okay, in line 2, HTML lang equals to en. So lang is attribute of HTML. It gives some additional information. What type of language we use in HTML? We use en, English language. Okay, so that's it in this video. Thank you.